Hello everyone, today is another opening. Today we're opening Pokemon 3-pack booster pack set that comes with an EV promo card and I forgot what this Pokemon was called, a purple shining coin. Let's get into it. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button for more content like this. Card for a closer look. Nice. Okay, let's look at the promo. Look at this nice Eevee card. It's cool. Fireworks, whatever. And here is the, what's it called again? I forgot what it was called. For the TCG Pokemon game. Here it is, the code. Now, let's open a pack. Okay. Dynatrial. Ooh, Spiral Energy. I've never gotten that before or seen it. Peony, trainer card. Score Bunny. Single Strike, Diglett, Rapid Strike, Golett, Deerling, Sneasel, Rapid Strike, Hatter, how do you pronounce that name? I don't know. And Volcarona and a Volcarona for our rare and energy. Okay, now let's get into our next pack. Energy, Impact Energy, ooh, another nice one. Porygon 2. Thwacky, Single Strike, Rapid Strike. Why is this upside down? That's literally upside down. A Weedle. That was upside down. A Ladybug. Golett. Quabblepus. That's a weird name. Cast Form, Snowy Form. I've never seen that either. Zeep Striker, that's a nice card. And Kecleon Rapid Strike for the rare. Okay, now let's get into our final and last pack. Hopefully we get a rare GX or, no, there's no GXs in here. VMAX or something. Here's the code. Oh, I didn't do the code for the last pack. Here it is. Here. Okay. Now Energy, Larion, Fire Resistant Bugs, Welcoming Lantern, Galarian Farfetch'd. Ooh, that's cool. Forfro, Venipede, whatever, Spheal, Crab Crawler, Caitlin, and Sweeper for our rare. Well, that's it for our video. Don't forget to subscribe and stick around for more videos like this. Bye.